Hey everyone, this is Brett, and this is the truth about starting a YouTube channel in 2025. And why I'm here is because it's actually 2:28 in the morning, and as many of you watching this, maybe at the same time, have gone down the rabbit hole of seeing all these YouTube channels saying you can make $100,000 tonight by doing AI automated faceless YouTube channels. So the truth is, the first thing is, for 99.9% of people, that is not going to happen. All of the people talking about that say, oh, look, I just made this channel tonight. It's viral. They perhaps have years of experience doing other channels or YouTube. So the main point I'm trying to make in this video is that it's not just about how easy it is to do. It's easy to do it if you've done it before and you have that experience. Okay, a doctor doing a difficult surgery might be easy for them when it's their 900th time doing that surgery. It's just a routine procedure for them. So the point of this video is that stay committed. You can do it and you can achieve it, but stay away from the noise and the comparison and focus on your niche and what you want to do. And this channel here, and also another thing, there's so much noise. They have 20 channels. They're recommending 30 different softwares, anywhere they can make a quick buck. Okay? I have a channel which is in that same niche of helping people and businesses become content creators. Whether you want to create content for your business or you want to create content to be a content creator itself, like me, and have that as be the business, or sometimes you can cross over and have both. So stay focused, stay committed, and continue to learn. And on this channel, what I want to do is simplify it. Like all this noise, like just stop. Okay? People starting out do not need 30 different subscription programs where 10 of which do the same thing just because you get an affiliate. I am absolutely obsessed. I compared this platform, this platform, this platform, this platform, and chose one. I very much operate under the less is more. Sometimes I want the all-in-one, and sometimes there's going to be less features. And yet it's easier to focus and do what needs to be done, which is the actual simple work itself of making the videos. So if you have any comments or thoughts, I'd love to see your comments below. And of course, subscribe if you are aligned with that vision. Thank you so much for watching.